Mark it as important question. But again, they have done in very complicated manner. We'll do it in a far more simple manner. Limit silence x tends to 1, square root of x plus 3 minus 2 upon square root of x plus 8 minus 3. Put your pens down. Let me try the black magic first. Limit x tends to 1. Put your pens down. If answer doesn't come by black magic, then I'll explain the textbook method. Limit x tends to 1. Root of x plus 3 minus 2 divided by root of x plus 8 minus 3. This we have done yesterday also. Is everyone clear with this? Now, limit x tends to 1. Okay, x tends to 1, so root of x plus 3 minus 2 upon x minus 1 divided by root of x plus 8 minus 3 upon x minus 1. X tends to 1. So both of them are divided by x minus 1. Will the answer remain same or not? Yesterday we practiced that. Now let x plus 3 equals to, so x will be equal to t minus 3, and let x plus 8 equals to u, other than t, u. So x will be equal to u minus 8. Okay? This is for x plus 3 and this is for x plus 8. Now limit x tends to 1. In place of x plus 3 I can write t raised to 2 will be square root of 4. 2 will be square root of 4. So 4 raised to 1 by 2. Is it fine? Any confusions with this? Raise your hand. In place of x, it will come t minus 3 minus 1 divided by root of x plus 8. So u raised to 1 by 2. 3 is square root of 9 raised to 1 by 2 minus, in place of x, u minus 8 minus 1. So limit x tends to 1, t raised to 1 by 2 minus 4 raised to 1 by 2 upon t minus 4 divided by u raised to 1 by 2 minus 9 raised to 1 by 2 and minus 8 minus 1 becomes minus 9. So x raised to n minus a raised to n upon x minus a, and again x raised to n minus a raised to n upon x minus a. So what is n? 1 by 2 a for n 1 by 2 minus 1 divided by 1 by 2 a n 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. Here also minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 means you will bring it in denominator. So 1 upon 4 raised to 1 by 2. 1 upon 9 raised to 1 by 2. What is 1 by 2? And can I say divide by this means multiplied by reciprocal? Okay, 1 by 2 power means square root of 4, 1 by 2 power means square root of 9, and divided means multiplied by reciprocal. So I multiplied by 2 root 9. 2 gets cancelled. Root of 9 is 3, root of 4 is 2. Did you all understand this portion? So, no need to use that nonsense method given in textbook. Okay?